Yeah, it's hello,
One.
hello,
The
hello.
pilot.
तो भी आपको क्या कहना है? आपको क्या कहना है? He's our
Mascot.
first member, first.
He's the sponsor also for
Yes, he's
DTF.
our first guest to the podcast.
What a
तो
distinguished
आपको क्या कहना है?
gentleman.
कुछ बढ़िया तो क्या करेगा?
क्या कर रहा है? चाट क्या रहा है?
वो भी कुछ बढ़िया कहो.
ओए इससे तेरी वो पीनट बटर वाली स्टोरी यार. Let's
यार.
begin the podcast with that story.
Okay.
So they'll know what the like
What kind of people
setting
we are?
of the podcast it's going to be.
Okay.
हाँ तो
Disclaimer: this is actually a lie. This is not true. This is not true.
Mohawk was home alone. He was lonely. Kobe was there. Kobe likes peanut butter. Mohawk took peanut butter out, put it on his balls,
Peanuts.
on his
Peanuts.
Let's just say his
His
peanuts.
peanuts.
And had Kobe lick it.
This is untrue. This is made up. I don't do that with my dog.
The
He loves
chances
me.
are low, but,
But
never,
never
zero.
zero. All right.
Hi guys, welcome to DTF. I'm Vikalp. This is
Uh,
Mohawk.
Yeah. DTF stands for dudes talking facts. Dudes and us talking facts.
Exactly. So whatever I said was a fact.
Shit.
You can't argue with that.
I mean, it's up to your imagination if I actually did it.
Comment
People
down
who
and
know me
tag
real
Vika.
well know that I did it. People who don't know me, they are still confused. I didn't do it. I swear to God, I didn't do it. I'm not a fucking beast. I'm not
Every
not into
guilty person
bestiality.
ever.
I am not into bestiality.
हाँ, तो let's introduce ourselves.
All right. I am Mohak. I study in Pearl Academy. And I'm doing fashion and lifestyle business management. And it's like learning business around the fashion industry, how it's all operated, except like the designing part and everything. I mean, I've done that part as well.
He
like
made the
thoda sa.
logo himself.
Yeah, I made this logo myself.
I mean, it's probably not clear, but we'll edit that onto the video.
I mean, you can see that on our Instagram account or like the YouTube channel ka logo. But yeah, made this one. I've been doing art since I was like in, I think like third grade or second grade. I was into classes, and then yeah, I've also, but I just lost touch with art back in 2020. Yeah, that's
This
about
podcast
me.
is a way of
Getting back to that creative side of mine, and yeah, I was spending a lot of time.
socks फट गई.
I was spending a lot of.
Shout out to Prakash
Tanish.
Hosri,
Acha.
Tanish,
Tanish,
Vasuya.
Vasuya,
for
love you
giving
guys.
me these silly socks.
I'm not
हाँ.
wearing socks.
हाँ, so gay no. अरे भाई
Um,
comedy अर्पित बाला.
So what do I say?
हाँ, so let me introduce myself.
No,
Are you done talking about yourself?
nahin, I'm not done yet. I'll let me speak.
Future goals.
No, not that. I was talking about yeah. So I was spending a lot of time wasting a lot of time in
Being chronically online.
being chronically online. YouTube, Netflix. I've watched a lot of shows. You just bring up a show and I probably have watched it. I'm not into anime anymore. I used to be, like back in like when I was like in school, like
Anime is
sixth, seventh
cool.
grade.
Don't you dare.
I mean, it
disrespect.
is what it is. It is that I have lost touch to it, and I've been watching other things. So I've basically brain rotted myself and lost touch with my creative side, and this is a way to get back to it. Vikalp will
This
talk
is
about his.
Vikalp. I like monkeys. I also like management consulting
He's
and
autistic.
investment banking. Like those are the fields I want to pursue a career in. And I'm currently a DU
You can
student.
actually see how many takes I've actually taken because
drink is almost
the
empty
drink is almost done.
And we barely sipped it. So like if it's that empty, it means like this is not our first try.
This.
And you can probably tell by the look on his face, not mine. He's done. He's frustrated.
It's every time I'm done with 20 minutes, my parents walk in. Like, bhai, let me do 30
That's the same
and then come
thing
in.
that happened to me, but I was not shooting a podcast.
Bhai, I've also had my parents walk in when I was masturbating once, bro.
I was not talking about masturbating, but ठीक है.
सही में.
Different story.
We'll
So,
talk about
like,
that later.
Yeah, we'll have a different section in the later episodes for women.
Yeah.
Hmm.
So about him, he's a corporate majdoor and
Not
what else?
a corporate
He
majdoor.
wants to be.
Like my goal is to like go to Harvard. Like Harvard is scared of me. I know that. I have 16 missed calls from Harvard. So like my goal is to crack an Ivy League, most probably, like not most probably, like I want to go get into Wharton and Harvard Business School. But yeah, that's just 5 years down the line, so I don't think about it that much right now.
इसने ना सूट्स देख लिया है, तब से थोड़ा पागल हो गया है.
सूट से मेरे को लॉ के टर्म समझ आया, पर्जरी, सबीना, और भी होते हैं, मैंने देखा है पूरा, मैं 9 सीजन पे हूँ.
What was what is my Donna, bro? Fuck
Donna,
it, bro.
redhead.
Damn.
Love redhead.
Need a Donna in my life. Genuine.
Deviating from the topic, yeah, so basically our goal to start this podcast that we've been stalling for like the past 3 years.
3 years.
So like ever since we met in school, so like I handpicked him from a crowd of those देहाती लोग. तो बैठा रहता था कोने में. तो like एक दिन कुछ बात हुई क्लास में, like कोई आई थिंक आशीषा मैम इकोनॉमिक्स
Yeah.
का पीरियड चल रहा था, तो खत्म ही हुआ था, तो रिसेस स्टार्ट होने वाला था. तो मैम ने कुछ बोला जो बहुत इनअप्रोप्रिएट था, एंड 12th में थे हम, तो सारे वो दैट्स व्हाट शी सेड जोक्स बहुत हीट थे उस टाइम.
I was watching The Office that time. Like I just
So-
started watching.
अब मेरे को पता नहीं था मेरे क्लास के बच्चे ऐसे, मतलब मेरा ग्रुप तो ठीक था. तो कुछ किसी ने बोला, मेरे दिमाग में आया कि अरे इस पे दैट्स व्हाट शी सेड, दैट्स शिट, हाउ मेनी ऑरा पॉइंट्स डू आई लूज.
5,000.
She had Gurpreet मैम.
Gurpreet ma'am. She used to
हाँ, तो-
talk like that. Swiggy.
That's what she said. मेरे दिमाग में आया उस बात को लेके. तो उसी सेकंड ये दूसरे इसने कभी क्लास में ना कुछ बोला ना कुछ ऐसे करा, इसने चिल्ला के बोला that's what she said. Embarrassing.
And then like yeah, I was sitting on the other side of the class, and then I was like, then this like his group was the only one that started laughing, and I was like, okay, I'm sitting in the wrong side of the class, and these guys called me after the like
काले लोगों के साथ.
yeah, I was
It's not racism if it's the same race.
okay. Yeah, so I was sitting with them, and
So
yeah,
as soon as the recess started, I was like,
भाई आजा हमारे साथ बैठ
wait,
जा
सुन तू.
इधर आ.
You're my friend now. We're having.
Actually, I will tell you that right before that day, like when the day was like okay, one day before when the day ended, school में, Tanishq, right? Shout out to him. That guy, he basically said कि हमारे साथ आके क्यों नहीं बैठता and everything, and I was like हाँ okay, I will sit with you guys. And I just didn't. I was a bit too shy. It was a new school for me. Like I mean, I was
Shifted
there
it,
for 2 years.
downgraded from Lancers International to Lancers Convent. Ironically, ours being the mother
Downgrade.
branch.
Yeah. So I mean, I was there, but then I mean, like, I was there in 10th, 11th. That was online because of COVID. And 12th, the 12th part, right? It was kind of, they told me to come sit with them. I was just too shy, so I just didn't go. I mean, one day they were like, bro, aaja idhar. One day, genuinely, this guy was like, aaja idhar. So that's why the only time I was like, okay, fine. And then I became too frank with them. Hence this podcast.
3 years later, here we
3
are.
years later, here we are.
We're finally breaking our podcast virginity. Popping the cherry.
Yeah.
So
We want to talk about how people, like, when we like put this story कि we are gonna do it. A few people DM'd you and me about wanting to start their own
like,
podcast.
I mean,
And
ठीक है, हर लड़के का होता है कि
Yeah.
दोस्तों के साथ बकचोदी करेंगे, वीडियोस बनाएंगे, डालेंगे, फेमस होएंगे, बट लाइक
they're not us. They are not us.
मैं नहीं करूँगा, नहीं, बहुत कॉर्नी है ये.
They just aren't us.
हाँ तो like when we started posting about that, we are finally like introducing and like initiating the process, so everybody was like कि भाई हमें भी करना था, हमने कभी करा नहीं, अब देखते
Yeah,
तुम्हें.
your loss,
And
bro.
but it's like a lot of pressure on the people making the podcast as well, because we don't know how it will come across to you, whether you'll find it cringe, whether you'll find it cool, whether you'll find it boring. So let's just see what the reception is.
This is personally me sitting here and talking right now. I'm like,
amazing. We'll not cut it. We'll include that in the
we'll
video. So
include.
we're just
We are in
praying
India. You look at this.
that the logo. He made it himself, by the way.
Yeah, I made that logo myself. I am very happy. I think I didn't bring that up.
That
I am not sure if I brought it
advisory
up.
And the 2 mics are like cool.
Cool. Yeah, 2
They're
mics. And yeah.
And for some reason, Mohawk decided our thing was going to be holding them on books, which I don't get the reason for, but okay, I'll do that. So where were we? हाँ बिजली चली गई.
उससे पहले what were we talking about?
हाँ, we were basically talking about what the podcast is going to be like and what we are trying to do with that, and we already have sponsors lined up, even though we haven't released an official episode yet. So I think that's something
not to be ungrateful or anything.
I
Love
think
you.
that's a good thing because you usually don't get sponsors for something that has not been set
Before
up
at
yet.
least like 10 episodes or something. Like I've seen a few podcasts that have inspired me to be here today. Shout out to Codico and Noel Miller, if they ever end up
Tiny
watching
Meat
this.
Gang.
Tiny Meat Gang. Kind of how the 3 letters come from. But yeah, TMG. Shout out to them. I mean, they don't really need one.
Shout out to random Karol Bagh guy and a guy from
Yeah,
Borivali
yeah,
is shouting them out.
Yeah, yeah. I mean, like they're pretty famous. Like they're the ones like inspired me to be here today, and yeah,
And I'm just here because he asked me to.
yeah.
So
I'm very yeah. I was talking about how if I wasn't, if it wasn't for you, I wouldn't be around behind the
yeah,
camera.
no, you wouldn't be here where you are right now if it wasn't for me. Everybody that knows me knows that whatever I do in their lives,
ठीक है,
that
narcissism थोड़ा सा कम. Yeah, but what I'm trying to say is like me, I'm very scared behind like standing behind cameras. That is something a lot of people know. I barely get my pictures clicked and everything. So me sitting here with this guy is like a huge thing for me.
use the
Huge thing.
यार बिजली के बिल में.
Yeah, what was
हाँ.
it? Don't want yeah.
So like we've introduced ourselves, we've ran out of electricity, I think we've pretty much done everything for the first episode.
Why we have messed it up so many times. लैपटॉप भी बंद हो गया.
कोई बात नहीं है.
नहीं होगा आज खराब मेरा पॉडकास्ट. Okay, let's see if AirPlay is working. Wait,
TV
it
is
is
off.
working.
TV is off.
It's okay. It connects anyway.
हाँ.
It connects अपने आप.
तभी बिल नहीं भरते तुम, इतना बिल आता तुम्हारा.
Shut the fuck up.
हाँ. So what we were talking इनको peanut butter stories बता दिया. हाँ, we began the episode.
ऐसी बातें.
हाँ, तो coming down to like basically wrapping and summing
Going
it up.
down on me. दूर रह भाई.
हाँ.
हाँ.
So
I think after things that we have said recently, I don't think we'll probably lose the sponsors. But
that's
yeah.
how you know that they're a real one.
yeah, then we'll know that we're with real ones.
Okay, so basically that's not how the podcast is going to look like in the
Next
coming
few
up
episodes.
because
Yeah,
we'll
this
have
is
better
something we're
setups.
trying out. This is a pilot. Like, I mean, if
It's
this
not
really
even a pilot. This is just like an introduction, and like we are just spitballing. We didn't plan this shit out.
yeah, next episode expect you could expect us to like plan everything out, like different segments, different
We're going to have props. We're going to have our own T-shirts, which are going to be really cool. And if like we scale up,
that is a
they're
bit
going
too
to be
far.
for sale
That is a
because-
bit too far. We are talking about a few episodes down the road now. But yeah, next few episodes
But yeah,
we
we're
could
just giving you our vision
yeah.
for the.
We'll have our
We'll have our
merch. We'll
friends.
have podcast merch. We'll have podcast. We'll have a bit other videos that we'll be doing on YouTube. We are not doing reels. I don't like them. They just take away attention span from people, and I don't like that. And
We are going to have like दोस्तों को बुलाएंगे.
oh yeah, we'll be
Podcast
calling
में,
our
हाँ.
friends. Yeah.
तो extra more people. 2 heads are better than 1. It's a saying.
It's a
I'm not
saying.
talking about.
I mean,
The-
that way as well. Like, I mean, as fuck, bhai. Okay. What was I talking about? Yeah, we'll be available on YouTube and Spotify and Apple Podcast. So if you are just like,
Have you set up the channels yet?
I have set up the YouTube channel.
दिखाया
The
नहीं?
other ones will, yeah. Abhi it's just logging into your Gmail. यार, that's
वो logo and banner.
वो कर देंगे कोई नहीं.
Okay.
अभी नहीं करा.
Mhm.
So, yeah. What else was I saying? Yeah, we'll be available on the podcast and Apple Podcast and Spotify. If you guys are like just wanting to drive around and listen to us blabber about things, we'll have segments. This is just a pilot. We are trying this out. see how it works, see the engagement, and you guys should totally comment and tell us what do you
Like
like.
we'll be needing suggestions,
Yeah.
because if we keep on talking about shit, we're not going to stop, and it's going to be the most random things ever.
We're probably going to jail if we like start talking about things that we usually talk about off camera. Yeah.
Like
I
we're
would not
camera
like that.
shy.
My parents would not like that.
My parents are not going to see that.
No, me going to jail is still something they'll
Oh
see.
yeah.
Yeah.
Speaking of jail, मैंने तेरे को वो story बताई थी जब मैं आया था. We're not telling it right now, but
Oh, yeah.
fucked up.
Damn.
Okay, so anyways, हाँ,
I mean, it was pretty expected what happened. Like,
fatherless activities.
if you guys know what we're talking about,
they don't.
if you know, you know. Like, people who are watching, if you know, you know. Yeah, what else? We can't be talking about inside jokes here.
Yeah, that is also something we're going to change.
We are going to do
We're
callbacks.
going to convert all the inside jokes into outside jokes so that you guys can have a good laugh too, because we have stories to tell.
We have a few.
A few that we can really tell, and a lot that we should not be
should
telling,
not be telling, but we will,
but
because
we're going to just
that is the
like,
whole point of it.
blur out the names.
Yeah, but that's the whole point of it. Yeah. I would like. Yeah, we have reached 18 minutes.
I think we
So
should wrap it up before something else goes wrong.
yeah, but I would love to talk about women and their
Women and their what?
and their how they have fun just taking attention and what is it called, like taking our care, attention, and then just being like,
Love
okay, bye
bombing.
bye. Okay, bye bye. And we're just like,
Very random thing to say, but okay.
nee, I just had this in my mind ki, like I would want to vent about this in the first episode.
In
Personally,
the pilot itself.
yeah,
That's a
I
bold
mean,
step.
like, they should know what they're expecting, like two guys.
Bro thinks we have a female audience.
Of course. Yeah, tell us in the comments, what is it about giving us
Comment down
attention?
below if you think we are Skibidi Sigma.
Yeah, like, what's up with the giving us attention and then being like, okay, bye bye. I've never
think it-
understood it, and it is kind of pissing me off at this point, because this has happened this year at least 3 times, and it is not, the air is nowhere near ending. It is
I
not
don't
about
think
to
we
end.
are the problem.
Yeah, I think we are not the problem, of course. It is, but like,
Giving apart the things we have to say, we don't say them to women at least.
yeah, they are the problem. But like, what's up? Like, तुम्हारे पापा नहीं है,
Father.
fatherless behavior. Like, I mean, they have fathers as well. Like, and they're like from good families as well. Like, what the fuck is on my?
Attention की भूख. कोई बात नहीं. We'll
Do
get-
better.
we-
Mature the fuck up. You're 19 years old or 18 years old. Like,
or
you're like
15
you're
or
young
14
adults, for
years
fuck's.
old.
No, we're not going there.
Anything below 8 is dinner.
Yes, anything below 8 is dinner.
क्या करना है अब?
I think we should wrap
ये
it up.
glasses बहुत cool है, but
Shout out mummy. Shout out mummy.
Literally shout. He was shouting. Then the episode got.
My मम्मी चल के आ गई बाहर, कहती, अच्छा तुम रिकॉर्ड कर रहे हो? ओह सॉरी.
Sorry, ऐसे बोलने की जैसे leak हो जाएगा.
20 मिनट हो गए थे. Like right now, like the time mark is also 20
अभी
minutes.
इस video में भी
Exactly 20 minutes behind. Like पहले, like before
I
we
think it's
started.
a sign we should not.
But I think there's the bigger
I think the
sign is
bigger
that we
sign is
have
that
we
we
have
are doing-
sponsors. We have fucking sponsors already. I think that is the biggest sign.
M for M. नहीं होगा कुछ.
Uh,
I think we should wrap up.
I think
we
yeah.
should
I think
wrap up
I think
before-
for a pilot, 20 minutes is fine. Next time we are hoping to go at least 30 minutes, and
See you in the next
See you
episode where
guys.
we're more planned and thorough out. Chat, comment down. Do you think
If
this episode was good?
Skibidi Sigma.
If you like us, if you love me, if you love Mohak, please comment down below and let us know. Kobe
आ जा इधर.
सूसू कर रही है अभी जमीन पे. बाय कर देते,
Say
इसको
bye.
कैमरे पे ले जा.
Say bye bye.
Bye guys. Megatron on the ground.